Okay, now we have the equation 20 minus 7x equal to 6x minus 6, and we need to solve for x. First of all, we just have to separate the constant terms, which are 20 and 6, on one side of the equation. I pull them on the right hand side, and then I pull all x terms on the left hand side. So to get the 20 out of the way from the left hand side, we need to subtract it from the left hand side. But this is an equation. Anything you do to the left hand side, you also have to do to the right hand side. So I subtract 20 from the left hand side. That means I'm going to subtract 20 from the right hand side. Okay, now I have on the left hand side 20 minus 20. This is going to be equal to 0. They cancel out, and I no need to write it down again. And then I have negative 7x. I'm not adding or subtracting anything to that. That means it just gets carried down. And on the right hand side I have 6x, and once again I'm not adding or subtracting anything to that. Also I have a negative 20 minus 6. This is going to be equal to negative 26. The next step that we want to do is get all the x terms on the left hand side. That means we need to subtract 6x from the both sides. On the left hand side, now we have negative 7x minus 6x. This is going to be equal to negative 13. And on the right hand side, we have 7x minus 7x. They cancel each other. And we have negative 26. And once again, I'm not adding or subtracting anything to that. To remember, our goal here is isolate the x. We have negative 13 times x here, so the best way to isolate it is divide for the same number that is multiplying the x. In this case, we need to divide both sides by negative 13. Now we have negative 13 times x divide negative 13. This is going to be equal to x. They cancel out. And on the right hand side we have negative 26 divide negative 13. When you have a negative divide a negative, the result is positive. And 26 divide 13, this is going to be equal to 2. And at the end we can say x is equal to 2.